Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of starting a blank content calendar? In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to build an entire 30 days content calendar in just minutes. So whether you are a content creator, a social media manager, or a small business owner, all you need is a clear topic or niche, and ChatGPT does the rest. So let's dive in. So let's say I run a fitness Instagram page, then I want to create a 30-day Instagram content for a fitness page. So which type of prompt am I going to use to make sure that um, I can come up with the days, the post ideas, the captions, and the hashtags. So I'll go ahead and upload the prompt here. So look at this. So I am using the ChatGPT 4 or 4.0, the model that you pay for. So here I have a prompt that I'm going to ask it. So create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a fitness page, then include a post idea, captions, and hashtags. Then I click enter. So when you look at this, ChatGPT will go ahead and create for me the whole 30-day calendar. Look at this. Now it has given me the first day, what will happen, the second day, the third day, the fifth day. So it will go ahead and do that for me within just few minutes. Look at that, still creating it. It is still creating the calendar for us up to the third day. So as it continues to do that, look, let us start from the first day. What will happen on the first day? So post idea, introduction post, caption will be welcome to our fitness farm, ready to crush goals together. Comments your 25 fitness goal below. Then you have the hashtags here, hashtag fitness journey, hashtag fit farm, hashtag welcome post. Then you have the second day, what you'll do, the nutrition tips, workout video, transformation Tuesday, myth buster, motivational quote. So look at that. So it has created the whole calendar for you. So what you can do is you can just copy this content using this tabs up here. Once you copy this, you can take it to your Excel. And once you, let me just open up Excel and show you how you can copy and paste this there, then create a very nice 30-day fitness Instagram content calendar for yourself so that you don't need to go ahead, start thinking, writing down ideas. ChatGPT can do this for you just quickly in a few minutes. So you can come here, right click, and paste your content there the way you copied it from there. Then you make sure that you fit your columns and your rows to make sure your content is well written here. Then you can go ahead as well, then convert your content into a table using Control Shift T. Let's say, for example, I want to convert them, Control T, like that. Then you can convert the whole this content into your table if you want to make sure that it looks so nice, and you have your calendar running from the first day to the 30th day, and it has been done by ChatGPT. Very simple, just like that. So look at this. You can convert your data into table like that. Then you have your data well converted into a table. Then the next thing that I want to show you that ChatGPT can do for you is to customize for any platform or niche. So you are not limited to fitness. Let's try a YouTube channel for tech reviewers. So let me give you a prompt that you can use. And remember, subscribe to the channel, because if you want to find these prompts, they are down there in the description channel. So description part of this channel, so you can find them there. Create a weekly YouTube content calendar for each tech review channel, including video ideas, titles, and suggested upload days. So you click on that, then it will go ahead and create for you. So look at that. Look at that. It's creating for us weekly YouTube content calendar, tech reviews. You can as well copy this, take it there, suggested weekly posting schedule. just within short time. Then it has also given you the bonus monthly themes, rotate weekly topics around. Look at that. It's given you very nice um, calendars that you can use. And now that we have got the post idea, you can also turn output into a visual calendar. Let's say, for example, you have these and you want to turn them into visuals and make them look quite nice. You can as well ask the ChatGPT to convert your data into sheets, into Google Sheets or something like that, and to make sure that it looks better. Let's say, for example, we have that. Can you format the 30-day plan as a table for Google Sheet? Then it will do that for you. It will just do that for you. It can convert it into a table. It is already in a table, but as well you can request it to convert it into a table as we saw it do it. So you can just copy this. If it's not in a table, you can do that. Then you can also want to automate even more. Try this prompt that I'm going to give here to see. Look at that. This is your table. So you can just go ahead and copy it. It's still creating the table for us. But if it's not in a table form, you can even request it to download it in Excel. Will you like me to send this as a download? It can send it as a download or a Google Sheets like link. Then you can copy it, then put um, in your write-up. Then create 7 Instagram captions with emojis and CTAs for a fashion brand launching a new summer collection. So you click enter. Then here it goes. You have the emojis, you have the captions. Summer just got a style upgrade. You have that, you have the emojis and all that. Everything well created. And that is in under 10 minutes. We have just created a 30-day content plan, customized it for different platforms, and organized it for posting. So if this helped you save hours of planning, hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment with your niche. I will help you to build a content calendar in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.